She's a Mona Lisa.
Hi, it's Ella. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about my summer bucket list 2020, and on here I have like 50 things that I want to do this summer. Obviously that is relying on the fact that this quarantine doesn't continue till that long, but hopefully it won't, because I know at least here in the UK it's looking like stuff's opening quite a bit more now. Hopefully everything should be sorted for summer. So the first thing on my list is to watch the sunrise or the sunset, because I just think this is so nice to do, especially in the summer. I think it's just really vibey. The second thing is to go to a drive-in movie, because I know they'll definitely be opening, because you can just stay in like your own car, so you don't have to be next to people, so that would be really cool. The third thing is to have a trampoline sleepover. I know these were really big on TikTok last summer, but I never got to do one, and I just think that would be so fun, especially when it's like a hot summer night. The next thing is to tie-dye shirts. Tie-dye is so in at the minute, and I haven't actually done my own tie-dye in a long time, so I'm going to get some more kits from online and do some tie-dye shirts. The fourth thing is a beach day, just a whole day at the beach, like having ice cream and chilling. Hopefully the weather is actually good, because right now it's really bad. Next is to have a photo shoot with your friends, so you can just take pictures outside of like some really cool wall. Next is to have a water balloon fight. Next is to make a summer scrapbook so that you can remember everything that you did that summer. Next is to make a summer playlist, and then this can be like your favourite songs from the whole summer, and then when you listen to it in the future it'll just remind you of that summer. Next is to make friendship bracelets. I make these literally all the time because they're so fun to make, and you can just watch tutorials on YouTube and then you can make them for you and all your friends. Next is to pull an all-nighter, because I've actually never pulled an all-nighter in my entire life, and I really want to try it one time. Next is to make smoothie bowls. This is one of my favourite foods for when it's hot, because they're just so cold and so nice and refreshing, and they look very aesthetically pleasing. Next is to work out, because I just think I'll have all the time in the world in summer to work out, so I might as well, get fit. Next I have redecorating my room. It's always time for a revamp in summer, Next is getting henna. So henna tattoos I think are so pretty, and I've had one before like a couple of years ago, but I want to get another one. The next thing that I have is grow some plants or some succulents to have in my room, because they just look so cute, and I can never really keep them alive, but in summer I'll have more time to pay attention to them. So the next idea is to have a spa day, so you can just chill at home, do face masks, do like a pedicure, make a bullet journal. So I see these all over Pinterest and they look so aesthetically pleasing and so nice, but I'm not very good at that sort of thing. But if you are and you're really into like your arts and crafts and journaling, then I think bullet journals are the way to go. Next is to go on a shopping spree, because in summer you're going to need a full new wardrobe, so you might as well go out. Next is to go to the farmers markets, because you can get some really nice like fruit and veg there, and I always think that it's just really fun, and it's so much better than going to like your average supermarket. Next idea is to have a bonfire and make s'mores. Go hiking. I actually love hiking, it's one of my favourite things to do, but where I live there's not many places to go hiking. But if you do have places to go hiking, then go hiking. So next thing is to go to a concert, preferably an outdoors one, because I just think that's so fun and you can go with your friends. Next is to go roller skating. I have roller skates, but I never really use them, and I need to be using them more, and I feel like in summer that's prime time to go roller skating. Go for a picnic, so you could definitely go with your friends and go to the park and have a picnic. Make pizza from scratch. I've actually made pizza from scratch quite a few times, and it's just like a bit of fire because you know what's going into it, and it's fun to actually make it yourself. Next is to do chalk on like your sidewalk or your pavement. I just think that is such a good thing when it's hot. Next is stargaze, like just stay up, lie under the stars. You could actually like sleep under the stars. Make a pillow fort. You could just like chill in your pillow fort for the whole day, watch YouTube, watch Netflix, but it's better because you're in a pillow fort. Next idea is to go on a bike ride. I actually love going on bike rides, but I haven't been on one in a while. But my legs get tired so quickly, but I really enjoy it. Next is to go kayaking. I've never actually been kayaking. I've been canoeing, but I've never been kayaking. I don't really know the difference. Well, I do. Any kind of boat activity. Next is to do a yoga class. I love yoga, but sometimes some of the poses that you have to do, I find them really weird. But it is fun, and it does actually relax you. Next is to have a no phone day. Now I know this might seem really hard, you might be like, I don't want to do a no phone day. Like, that is the worst nightmare in the world. But honestly, like, when I put my technology away even for like a few hours, I feel so much better because you're just like away from all of the negativity. So do that for a day, and I'm definitely going to do that this summer. Next is to pick some strawberries or go berry picking, because again, that's just like such a cute activity. Make lemonade from scratch again. Go to the zoo. I love the zoo. I love seeing all the animals. And I haven't been to a zoo in ages. Make ice lollies. I love to make ice lollies. I always make them out of like smoothies, and they're just so good. Go camping. Now, I'm not really a camping person. I've been once, and it was not my thing because I'm very much an indoors person. But if you enjoy camping, which I know a lot of people do, then I think you should go camping. Next is run a 10k. So I go on a run like every day, but I've yet to run a 10k. Like, my highest is only like a 6k. So I'd really like to get to run a 10k this summer. Next is to learn the ukulele. I am not very good at like instruments and stuff, but if you are, the ukulele, I think that is such a good thing to learn, and I'd like to be able to do it, but I just cannot read music. Teach your dog more tricks. So I have greyhounds, and so they're not very like the easiest dogs to teach tricks to, but if you do have a dog that's good to teach tricks to, then you can do that. Go mini golfing. I think mini golfing's so fun, and it's such a laugh. Like, I love mini golfing. Body paint. I think body paint can be so pretty, and I've seen people where they do like full outfits in body paint. I'm definitely not going to be as talented as them. Like, do a hair wrap. So like those things that like you always would get on holiday in like Spain, where they're like wrapped in like embroidery floss. You can make them yourself, and I'll try and link like a YouTube tutorial. Next is I want to try spaghetti tacos, because when I watched iCarly growing up, I never actually tried spaghetti tacos, and I feel like that's just a summery thing. Next is to go bowling, because bowling, that's just like something good when I'm bored. Go bowling. Make a flower crown. I feel like that's so fun. I've never made a flower crown before, nor do I know how to make a flower crown, but I'm pretty sure I can figure it out. Next is to send a postcard to somebody while on vacation or holiday. Obviously, if you can go on holiday, I don't know if that's going to be possible, but we're just being optimistic. Buy new swimsuits, because this is always very, very fun. I love a good new bikini or good swimsuit in general. And then my final one is to complete this list. So that is everything that is on my summer bucket list 2020. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and comment down below what's on your bucket list for this summer. And that's it. Bye.